I know struggling to quit. I'm wondering, how am I going to do it?
Dave Wilson, among other Temple faculty and staff, joined the College of Public Health Department in their first smoking cessation workshop sponsored by Total Wellness. Wilson works for the Temple Press and says their office is planning to move to main campus in the Charles Library this August inspired him to wanting to quit.
I started smoking late in life, so I started when I got to college, and I've been smoking since. It seemed to help with stress, it seemed to help getting through stressful classes, taking that break, even at my job now. Oh, it's stressful, I'll go out and have a cigarette.
The hour-long workshop was hosted by Temple senior Courtney Cunningham in hopes of inspiring smokers to quit and letting them know the different resources Temple offers.
I've had a lot of family members and friends who've smoked, so I always felt connected to smoking and stopping it. I know how seen firsthand how difficult it is for people to stop, so I really want to get involved so I can be part of the compassion enforcement and to help people find these resources.
The tobacco-free policy will take effect on July 1st, and the Public Health Department are continuing workshops next school year for both students and faculty like Dave who are motivated to quit.
I didn't know there were as many options to quit smoking. I do want to look into the state phone number, go online, and hopefully get some real help to try to quit.
To learn more on the smoke-free policy and helpful resources, you can log on to TempleUpdate.com. This is Ari Fulcher reporting for Temple Update.